Days ahead of Chinese Defense Minister Li Shangfu's planned visit to India, the militaries of the two countries held a fresh round of high-level talks to resolve issues at the remaining friction points in eastern Ladakh as the border row spills over to the fourth year. The 18th round of military talks between India and China took place at the Chushul-Moldo border meeting point on the Chinese side of the Line of Actual Control (LAC) in eastern Ladakh. While the Indian delegation was led by Lieutenant General Rashim Bali, an officer of the same rank, led the talks from the Chinese side from the local theatre command. India and China have been engaged in a military standoff for the last 3 years, and both the nations have deployed heavy troops in the eastern Ladakh sector. The Chinese have been strengthening their air and ground forces in the areas opposite Ladakh, with new airfields and military garrisons coming up to tackle Indian preparedness. India has been regularly deploying new radars and air defense systems in the eastern Ladakh sector to tackle any Chinese misadventure. The India-China border row is set to enter its fourth year in early May, despite 4 rounds of disengagement from Galwan Valley, Pangong So, Gogra and Hot Springs. The Indian and Chinese armies still have more than 60,000 troops each and advanced weaponry deployed in the Ladakh theatre. The Indian and Chinese armies have held 18 rounds of talks so far, but problems at Dipsang in Daulat Beg Oldi sector and Charding Nulla Junction in Demchok sector are still on the negotiating table. At the last meeting in December 2022, the two sides agreed to maintain security and stability on the ground in the western sector of the LAC. The two sides agreed to stay in close contact and maintain dialogue through military and diplomatic channels and work out a manually acceptable resolution of the remaining issues at the earliest, a statement said. That meeting took place just 11 days after several Indian and Chinese soldiers were injured in a clash along LAC at Yangtze, located near Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. Lee's visit to New Delhi for the SCO Defence Ministers meeting comes at a time when the two sides have been locked in the border row. Lee's visit to India is the first visit by a Chinese Defence Minister after the June 2020 Galwan clash that derailed bilateral ties. 20 Indian soldiers killed in the 7-hour deadly conflict near Patrolling Point 14 in Galwan Valley. According to India's assessment, PLA's casualties were twice as many as Indian armies, though Beijing officially claimed that only 4 Chinese soldiers were killed. On April 19, Rajnath Singh had expressed confidence in the Indian army to handle any contingency along the country's border with China, even as he said talks would continue for peaceful resolution of the lingering row in the Ladakh sector, and disengagement and de-escalation were the best way forward.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.